Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, in this session we are going to learn about equal sets and also we are going to solve problems on exercise 2.3. Okay. So children, see, in this exercise the concept is equal sets. So what are the equal sets? Okay. So concept is equal sets. What are the equal sets? So children, two sets are said to be equal sets if they have same elements. Okay, suppose set A has here three elements, A comma B comma C. Set B has three elements, C comma B comma A. So children, see, here first element is A, here third element is A, B, B, C, C. Okay, if you take set C, that is also A comma B comma C. So children, here set A and B, these two sets are said to be equal sets. Even set A and set C also said to be equal sets because ABC, ABC. Here not in the order. C comma B comma A is there, but still these two sets are having the same elements. So here A and B are said to be equal sets. Even A and C are also said to be equal sets. You can tell A is equal to B. Okay, set A and B are said to be equal sets because both sets are having the same elements A, B, C. And this is the symbol we will use to represent the equal sets. Okay, so next children, equivalent sets. Okay, equivalent sets. So equivalent sets means children, two sets are said to be equivalent sets. Two sets are said to be equivalent sets if they have equal number of elements. Here they may have same elements or not, that is not matter here, but the number is same. Suppose children, set A has elements A, B, C. Set B has elements 1, 2, 3. These two sets, this is set A and this is set B. Here these two sets are having the equal number of elements, 3 elements, 3 elements. Okay, so these type of sets are said to be equivalent sets. And next children, subset. Okay, subset. Subset means children, if all the elements of set A are also there in B. If all the elements of set A if also there in B, then set A is said to be subset of B. Set A is said to be subset of B. Suppose children, see, A is equal to 1, 2 is there. Set B is equal 1, 2, 3 is there. Here whatever the sets are there in A also there in B. Whatever the elements are there in set A also there in B. So we can say here A is subset to B. This is the subset symbol, children. This is the subset symbol. Here A subset B. Okay. And one more condition also, children, there about the equal sets. If A subset B, comma B subset A. Okay. If A is subset to B, B is subset to A, then A is equal to B. Then A is equal to B. Okay. So children, these are the concepts. Now we are going to solve problems in exercise 2.3. Now let's see problem number 1 in exercise 2.3. Which of the following sets are equal? Okay. Set A, X such that X is a letter in the word FOLLOW, follow. Okay, means children, they gave set builder form, we have to write those in roster form. So FOLLOW, so A is equal to F comma L, sorry, O also there, no? F comma O comma L. L is twice, but we need to take only one time, and O already came, and now you can take W here. So set A is F O L W, F comma O comma L comma W, roster form, and B is equal to, what is set B is equal to? X such that X is a letter in the word flow, F L O W. We have to write them in brackets, separating them by commas. C is equal X such that X is a letter in the word of. So C is equal W O L F. So children, if we look at all these three sets, okay, these three sets are having the same elements. F O L W, F L O W, W O L F. All these three sets are having the equal elements, same elements. If two or more than sets are having the same elements, then those are said to be equal sets. So here these three sets are having the same elements. So you can write A is equal to B is equal to C. Okay, so A comma B comma C are having same elements. Therefore, these are equal. Okay, now let's see problem number 2. Consider the following sets and fill up the blanks with equal to or not equal to, so as to make the statements true. A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. B is equal to the first three natural numbers. Children, what are the first three natural numbers? 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this B will be 1 comma 2 comma 3, children. Okay, now it's roster form. And C is equal to A comma B comma C comma D. D is equal to D comma C comma A comma B. E is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U. F is equal to set of vowels in English alphabet. What are the vowels in English alphabet, children? A comma E comma I comma O comma U. Okay, so these are the vowels in English alphabet. Now, based on this given information, we have to put here equal to or not equal to symbol. A dash B. A is what? 1 comma 2 comma 3. Even B also same, no? This is roster form, this is set pillar form. If you write a roster form, again you will get 1 comma 2 comma 3 only. So children, here you can use equal to symbol. And A dash E. A is 1 comma 2 comma 3. What is E, children? A comma E comma I comma O comma U. Vowels numbers not equal, no? So here we have to use not equal to symbol. Now C dash D. A B C D. D is D C A B. Both the sets are having the equal elements. So both are equal sets. D dash F. D is A comma B comma. D is D comma C comma A comma B. Okay. And F is the English alphabet. A E I O U. D C A B. A E I O U. D is here. D is not here in this set. Okay. A is there. Fine. C is here. C is not there. B is here. B is not here. So it's the same elements must be. Okay. Must be have same elements, children. These two sets are not having the same elements. D and F are. So both are not equal. Yeah. F dash A. F is what? A E I O U. A is 1 2 3. Both are not having the same elements. So F is not equal to A. D dash E. So D is what? D C A B. What is E? A E I O U. Still both are not equal because not having the same elements. And F dash B. F is A E I O U. B is the first three natural numbers, that is 1 2 3. Both are not having the equal elements. So here not equal to symbol we have to use. So children, in this way we can solve this problem. Now let's see problem number 3. In each of the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. Here set A is equal to A comma B comma C comma D. Here D comma C comma A comma B. B is equal. These two sets are having the same elements, so we can tell these two sets are equal. So children, these two sets are equal. Here you can tell A is equal to B. Now if you see second problem, 4, 8, 12, 16 elements in A, 8, 4, 16, 18 elements in B. Children, here 18 is here, 18 is not there. Okay. 4, 4 same, 8, 8 same, 16, 16 same, but set A has 12, in set B 12 is not there. Set B has 18, in set A that is not there, 18 is not there. Both are not having the equal elements, so we can write A is not equal to B. Now let's see the third problem, children. What is there? A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. A is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And what is set B, children? They gave set builder form. We have to write its roster form. X is a positive even integer there. X is a positive even integer less than 10. So what are the positive integers less than 10? 2, 4, 6, 8. They mentioned here less than 10, so you should not take 10, children. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 10 we should not mention because they mentioned X must be less than 10. So 8. These two sets are 2, 4, 6, 8. They are there in set A, but 10 is not there in set B. These are not having equal sets, so you can write A is not equal to B. And one more thing, children, here whatever the elements are there in B, also there in A. Here B is subset to A. What is subset? If all the elements of one set are there in the second set, then the first set is said to be subset to the second set. Okay, right. So children, in this way, please try this fourth problem. Now let's see problem number 4. State reasons for the following. So first set 1, 2, 3, so on 10 is not equal to x such that x is belongs to n and 1 is less than x is less than 10. Okay, so children, first one see. First set is 1, 2, 3, 10. If you write its roster form, what you will get, children? 1 is less than x is less than 10 and x belongs to n. X belongs to n means x is a natural number. And 1 is less than x is less than 10 is there. Means we have to take the numbers, natural numbers between 1 and 10. What are the natural numbers between 1 and 10? 2, 3, 4, so on, 9. Children, here 1 is there. Okay, here so on also there. 1, 2, 3, so on 10. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. 1 is there in the first set, in second set not there. 10 is there in the first set, in second set not there. So first set is not equal to second set. This is correct. Okay. So what is the reason? Since 1, 10 not there in the second set. In the second set. Now children, let's see problem number 2. What is there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 not equal to x such that x is equal to n plus 1 and x belongs to n. So what are the elements here? We are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 children. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And not equal to, what is the roster form? X belongs to n. Natural number starting from 1. Once the take n is equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 1 is what? 3. Okay. And 2 into 2 plus 1 is what? 5. And 7, 9, so on. Because children, here they not mentioned any condition, less than 10, less than 20, like that they not mentioned. So on. Here these are the even numbers and finite set. These are the odd numbers. Okay, and infinite set. Even 1 also not there. 1 is not here. Okay, 1 is not there in either sets. 2 is there in the first set, in second set not there. Okay, so children see, set A has, means the first set has, you can write. First set has even numbers. First set has even numbers, and second set has odd numbers. Odd numbers, my children. First set limited elements, second set infinite elements. So that's the reason these are not equal sets. Now let's see third problem, children. Okay, third problem. So what is there here? 5, 15, 30, 45. Second set is what? X is a multiple. X such that X is a multiple of 15. So it is 5, 15, 30, 45. Finite set. Number of elements countable. We discussed what is finite and infinite set. In a set, if the number of elements countable, that is called finite set. If not, infinite set. So 5, 15, 30, 45. Finite set, limited, countable elements are there in this set. And if you look at the second set, not equal to multiple of 15. Means 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, so on. Here they not mentioned any condition. And the children, 5 is there in the first set, in second set it is not there. Okay, so since 5 is not there in the second set, these are not equal. These are not equal. So children, because 5 is there in the first set, in second set 5 only not there. Okay, 5 only not there. So therefore these are not equal. So another reason also there. You can write even here finite number of elements, infinite elements, so on means. So a finite set cannot be equal to infinite set, no? That is also reason, children. Now please accordingly try this fourth problem. Okay, now let's see the next problem, children. Now let's see problem number 5, and this is the last problem in exercise 2.3. See, list all the subsets of the following sets. Set B is equal P comma Q, set C is equal X comma Y comma Z, set D is equal A B C D, set E is equal 1 4 9 16, set F is equal 10 100 and 1000. So children, what is the subset? We discussed already. If all the elements of the first set also there in the second set, then the first set is subset to the second set. And children, here the condition is every set is subset to itself, and empty set is a subset to each and every set. Empty set is subset to all the sets, all the given sets, and the given set itself also subset to given set, children. Okay, so find empty set and the set itself always subsets. And if n elements are there in the set, then 2 to the power of n elements there in the subset. Okay, means in number of subsets. Okay, if n elements are there in a set, then 2 to the power of n number of subsets will come. So children, see here p comma q. Okay, means in this set, how many elements are there? 2, p comma q. How many subsets will be there? N is equal to 2 to the power of 2, 4. 4 subsets will come. So see children, subsets of B is equal empty set. This is what children? Empty set. Empty set is subset of each and every set children, all the given sets, comma set P, set Q, and the set itself. Set P comma Q. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the subsets of given set B is equal to P comma Q. Now second set children, C is equal to X comma Y comma Z. X comma Y comma Z means 3 elements are there in the set. How many subsets will be there? 2 to the power of 3. 8 subsets will be there. So what are those subsets of C? Subsets of C is equal to empty set, first of all, X, Y, Z, X comma Y, X comma Z, Y comma Z, Y comma Z, X comma Y comma Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, there are 8 subsets there to this given set. Okay. And third problem. Okay. D is equal to ABCD. Okay. How many elements are here children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. Children, so how many subsets will be there? 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is what? 16. 16 subsets should come here. C. So subsets are empty set, set A, set B, set C, set D. Okay, A, B, C, D, A, B, set A, B, A, C, A, D. Okay, A, B, A, C, A, D, B, C, B, D. Okay, B, C, B, D. And CD, okay, CD, ABC, ABC, ACD, okay, ABC, ACD, BCD, okay, B comma C comma D also. So ABC, ACD, BCD, ACD also. Okay, that already we wrote. Children, how many subsets completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. One more set is what? ABCD. That is the given set itself. A, B, D also. It's a subset. Okay. So children, these are the subsets of D is equal to A, B, C, D. Empty set. Set of A, B, C, D, AB, AC, AD, BC, BD. CD, ABC, ACD, BCD, ABCD and ABD. These are the subsets of the given set D is equal to ABCD. And children, so these two problems you can try accordingly. Okay, right? It has 4 elements, it has 3 elements. Okay, and children, this is important for 2 marks and 1 mark point of view. Many times they are asking to list out the all subsets. Okay, so children, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and share my channel. Bye.